Welcome to the Purchase College Library website, your gateway to a variety of resources and services. Our building hours can always be found on the top of the right column, and our full hours are in the Library Hours tab. If you need help from a librarian, you can stop by the library to chat or use one of our many Ask a Librarian options, including the 24/7 online chat. We can help with anything library related, from how to search for resources to evaluating what you find. Use the Discovery search box to search for books and DVDs, as well as many articles, ebooks, streaming videos, and more. Check out our research guides for help searching in specific subject areas or finding specific types of information. Each guide also has the contact information for the subject librarian with extra expertise in that area. We're here to help you succeed, so don't hesitate to reach out. We look forward to working with you and seeing you in the library.